Today, disinfecting and sanitizing are more important than ever, and failure is not an option. Are the products you're using effective? Are you applying them right? Are they expired? Liquid bleach loses effectiveness in just months, many wipes in just 1 year. Performacide is different. You make it fresh, with only a bottle and tap water, so you know it's effective when you need it, where you need it. It lasts for 15 days, and then you can make it fresh again. Performacide uses chlorine dioxide to kill bacteria, viruses, and mold and mildew on hard, non-porous surfaces. It sanitizes food contact surfaces, removes allergens, and destroys all odors, including on carpet and upholstery. Many disinfectants leave residues. Performacide is different. There's no need to wipe or rinse. As it dries, it naturally dissipates, leaving no harmful residue or harsh chemical smell. The pouch keeps powerful chemicals securely contained. It's easy to ship and store a lot in very little space. It's much simpler and safer to transport than endless plastic bottles. How sure are you that your disinfectant is working? Trust the different disinfectant. Performacide by Brite.